This is radio receiver prototype, fitted in cardboard box. This radio receiver prototype consists of silicon lamps SI4703 breadboard, Arduino board, OLED display, infrared receiver, button with dual color LED, red and green, amplifier, power supply, and that's all. So I will turn it on. Radio receiver has several stations stored in the memory. It is capable of RDS data decoding. We can see in OLED display frequency, RDS data decoded, stereo or mono mode, RSI level, volume level. I will change channel. I also can search for other stations.
Siūlo išsakyti savo nuomonę apie skambančias eteryje dainas tam, kad 10 vakaro jie surinkti programoje Europos hitų radio klausytojų top 10. Jei Europos hitų tarpe yra ir tavo...
So it is working quite good. In the future I am planning to add audio processor, make nice PCB, and also I am planning to make nice case. Now I will turn off my radio receiver. And it goes to standby mode.